An Indiana doctor accused of performing inappropriate exams on more than 80 patients now faces a medical malpractice lawsuit.
The OB/GYN's license is currently suspended. WRTV's Rachel Wilkerson shows us more patients are coming forward.
83 women, ranging from 15 to 73 years old, have come together in a medical malpractice lawsuit against Dr. William David Moore and 3 healthcare facilities in Marion, Indiana. The patients, who are identified as Jane Does, claim they were violated under Dr. Moore's care.
We continue to be contacted weekly, if not daily, by additional patients that have just learned of the conduct that they were subjected to led, for example, to Dr. Moore losing his medical license, at least on an emergency suspension basis. So the word is still getting around.
Attorney Stephanie Kassman says the patients experience lingering and sensual exams rather than clinical and professional. He's also accused of not wearing gloves during exams, ordering unneeded tests, and more.
He photographed patients' genitals in the course of these examinations or treatments, or breasts, and when it was not medically necessary to do so, but either did not tell women that he was doing that with his own cell phone, with an iPad, with a camera, or that he needed to do it in order to monitor some type of medical condition or something related to their pregnancy.
The lawsuit alleges complaints of medical negligence and abuse of patients was made to the hospital several times, but nothing was done. I spoke to an OB/GYN, Dr. Katie McHugh. She shares what women can typically expect at these kinds of visits.
You should expect your doctor to ask permission to touch you. You should expect your doctor to wear gloves before they do any exam, and you should expect the doctor to use lubrication and to tell you what they're going to do before they do it. When they are performing an exam, you have the right to say, I don't understand what's happening, or that hurts.
Dr. McHugh says if you feel uncomfortable, make sure you report it.
You also should always feel empowered to ask for someone else to be in the room, either someone that you know and trust, or someone with the office can come in for the exam. It's also always fine to say that you need to stop and the exam needs to be put on hold until you can ask questions and feel comfortable.
Rachel Wilkerson, WRTV.
The suit says the doctor started practicing medicine in Grant County nearly 30 years ago. The Attorney General's office, Indiana State Police, and Wagner Reese Law Firm are investigating the malpractice accusations.